pala. Just hindi ko na video. Binivideo ko eh.
Ano yung video ko?
Oo. Sabi ko, ang layo ng tingin ko. Sabi ko, nasa na ba yung mag-ina? Nakita lang kita nung nagsalita ka.
Naka-face ba? Sorry ka.
Sorry ka. We are here.
Finally arrived.
We're back in Thailand. Uupo daw kami. Video yan.
Ay, binidyo pa kita. Hindi kita lang.
Video pa to, video. Please, introduce yourself. Yay!
We're waiting for one. The leech's red! Oh my God! Galing naman ito.
Di ba ga? Dating? Yay! We're here!
I'm ready. Sawadee ka! Welcome! Welcome! Nawala na yung ating ano mo.
Welcome to the young and the beautiful you. Yay! We're here. We're ready na. Sa likod si Tita. Ito na si Gaga. At eto na si Maria.
Si Maria, ang balikbayan namin. Sinundo po namin si Rhea. Nakakahiya. Sorry na.
Yung sinundo natin may pa-welcome.
Okay, sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka!
So, my name is Sen. I think you know already,
Yes.
right? Okay, yes, and I'm your tour guide for this field trip.
Mhm.
Today, right now, we will going to Pattaya.
Yes.
We only one night in Pattaya, then come back to
Come back to
Bangkok.
Bangkok.
2 nights more, then
Mhm.
go back
Yes.
home, right?
Yes.
Okay, so actually for today, that we will straight to Pattaya, but we don't check in yet. We
Yes.
don't direct to check in
Okay.
because of the check in that about 2 or
Oh, that's okay.
yeah, a temple. So
temple
you
you have?
you have 2 temples that visit in the Vikading Buddha temple
The Buddha.
and one
Guys, totoo na to. May kasama na kami. Hindi sa Pilipinas, pero sa Thailand.
So we're on our way to Pattaya.
Ayan. Sorry, makalog ang aming kamay. Ito na ang aming Miss Thailand na tunay. Miss Thailand, Miss USA. Ay, kanina pa ba namin pinapakita? Hindi ka naman nasalita. Sumalita ka kaya. Bati ka sa mga ano mo, amiga.
Shout out, magsa-shout out yan.
Shout out
Shout
daw.
out. Sino isa-shout out mo?
My goodness, napakainit po talaga.
Like in Qatar. Parang kami nasa Qatar dito.
Ganito rin kainit ang Qatar? Super init.
This is Anne, our tour guide.
Stopping by for
Say
lunch.
hi, Anne.
Hi!
Okay,
Maghahanap muna kami ng makakainan for lunch. Oh my God. Nahuli na nga ako sa airport, makukulong pa ako. Hanap tayo ng authentic na Thai food. First meal in Thailand. Bago kami dumiretso ng Pattaya. Ano nang may sakop din eh? Pattaya na to, hindi pa? Hindi pa ano? Halika na. Tawid. Ay. Eh. Tawid. Init. Walang sunblock. Ay, ayan. Ito ang aming kakainin. Madaming food. fruit. Ito muna for lunch. Soup. Yay. Tupig?
Parang toothpicks ba?
Ah.
They have like inside the coconut.
Coconut inside? Ah. Kakain tayo ng tupig. Kalomcha. Kalomcha. Kalomcha, kalomcha. Parang tupig ng... Ano nga ba ang tupig? Pangasinan.
Pangasinan.
Tama ano? Sa pang...
Kain po kayo ng tupig.
Thailand.
Magaling mag-vlog ang nanay mo. Parang sanay sa camera.
Mag-vlog at para yung mama.
Oo, mag-vlogger ka nga kaya. Masarap? Sige nga. Patikim nga. Aroy. So ito ang kakainin natin. May sabaw-sabaw. Sakto sa panahon.
Actually, masarap siya. Very, very malasa. May halo-halong
Yung
laman.
savory ng soup.
Masarap. Like it.
Ang crunchy.
Sarap.
Nasa WhatsApp. Oo. This is the Big Bee Farm.
Inside, I want to tell you that there might be bees. And if there's bee on your skin, please don't hit the bee. Because if you hit them, they will sting you.
Ah,
Fly away.
okay. Nandito kami. First destination, Big Bee Farm. Ito si Pong, ang aming tour guide.
So this one, this is the Asian honeybee.
Look, oh, they're...
They are quite small and,
Oh,
yeah, and they also produce honey, but the honey is a bit sour.
mm,
So we don't use them for beekeeping.
but it's still edible.
They're still edible. And they also produce something really useful to us. Do you see this black thing outside?
Yeah.
This is propolis. Do you know propolis?
Fabulous.
Propolis. So it's like a medicine the bee makes.
Oh.
If you have stomachache,
Oh.
you can eat this.
Oh,
Kill virus and bacteria.
Oh.
Oh,
and
that's
has no bad
good.
side effects. We also have the smallest bees in the world, and this bee are stingless. So you can come closer. They have no
Small
sting.
ones. Oh.
It's the smallest bees in the world. They don't sting. Closely.
Nice.
Hello nga no. Ang liit.
Stingless bees.
Oh, dwarf honeybee.
So this is the kind of bee that we use. They produce a lot.
Mm.
So you look here.
This one is
European chicken.
Ha?
European chicken.
Ay, nagtutour ka din?
Can you see the queen? She is the biggest one.
Oh,
When you see her, she is the biggest one. Yes, you have a.
but the queen,
Here.
where?
Oh, there.
You see,
See that one.
she is so big. Everybody is surrounding her. Same size but different point. The queen is so special. Okay, the other bees they can only live 3 months, but the queen can live 5 years.
5 years.
And the other ones, they,
Oo nga. She's big.
the other bees they are also female, but they cannot lay eggs. Only the queen can lay egg, and she lay 2,000 to 3,000 eggs per day.
Per day.
Wow.
And every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Per day, every day.
And this is because the queen, she eats a different diet. She doesn't only eat honey, okay? She eats something called royal jelly. Do you know royal jelly?
jelly, yeah.
So the worker, they will produce this kind of milk we call royal jelly only to the queen and her babies. And it keeps her long life and it helps her lay eggs.
Careful.
Please
On the
be
side.
careful and hold tight.
Oh, it's other way. Oh, no, it's fine. It's both ways.
Both.
1, 2.
Yay! 1, 2, 3. Parang ikaw ang Queen Bee. Beyonce.
Si Madam B.
Baka mo na yung bag ha. It's not every day that we see bees this close.
Bukat talagang kikisuti.
Okay. Ayaw mo? Charot. Ay. Parang sanay ka sa bee, tutubi. Charot. Cute. Ito yung mga products nila. Puro mga honey and bees by products. Hi, wow!
This is honey water.
Honey water.
Let's try it.
You can come
So this is actual water with mixed with honey.
This is cold water mixed with honey. Nothing else. Okay. You can
Try
grab your honey and
honey water.
Yay! Let's try it. Yes. Rhea. Okay lang. Yay! Cheers!
Okay.
Ayaw lumabas. Ay, ang ganda.
Look at that. So amazing.
Ayaw nga.
Yellow summers.
Ang handmade namin, pinakamarami design, tatlo na magkakamukha lang. Hanggang doon lang. Ang try dito yung lahan libre.
Ay, may mga letters.
May mga diamond,
Pendant.
mga brilliant dito sa diamond, yung mga letters. Pero may mga diamond talaga kami rito. Ayan, earring, pendant, at ring.
Here sa gate 2. Welcome to Terminal 21.
That's what they here, they decorate like a...
มันจำได้ไงวะ
They decorate like a... different like Japan.
Last year hindi namin na-visit to dati. Hindi kami nakapag-Terminal 21 last year. A trip to Thailand will never be complete without trying the mango sticky rice.
Hindi usap natin dito, ano?
Crispy pancake, tsaka pwede magpakabusog kasi dinner pa mamaya.
Ano pa na to?
Tikim-tikim lang.
Ulam ay mangga.
Diba? Sarap. Tapos ito. Authentic.
Masarap. Kunin mo na yung natin. Kumuha ka dyan. Para malaman.
Maharap. Hindi pa kami tapos kumain. Meron na naman. Ito naman, ito naman, ito naman, ito naman.
Uy, ang sarap ng tinapay mo. Ano yun? Ang sarap.
Ito nga, yung isang box na yun na ibigay ko dun sa driver kasi kanina
Isang buong box?
yung isang box.
Sarap!
Then sabi ko, akala ko yung natin na po magtugin mo. Thai shrimp sausage. Ah,
Kahit tikman natin.
try it on.
Yay!
May mix-mix yan eh. May
Yay!
Ang sarap.
stick. Ang hawak ko ang long. Hawak ko ang long, long.
Taldo?
Hawak ko ang ano, sili. Oh. Hawak ko ang...
Matapang. Departure from London. London. Umakyat ka. Bilis. Video kita. Ay, apakatara. Buksan mo raw. Buksan mo. Papasukin mo na. Tokyo! Terminal 21. Our service. This is where we are having our dinner. Amir Halal Foods. Amir Bistro. Shrimp.
Is it spicy? I think so. Spicy.
It looks spicy. Spicy. Whoop. Oh, that's egg. We are having dinner now.
First night here in Pattaya.
Yes, yes, yes.
We're eating here at Amir Halal Foods.
Ina na po. Ay, may tabaon. Ang batang addicted sa kape.
Okay.
Mango sticky rice. Si Kuya, nakikipagbarilan.
May mga baril-baril sila.
Yang hindi. Kang lang, may
Sa labas pa na talaga siya? Oh.
na sa hotel. Oops, M Hotel Pattaya. Hindi siya high-rise, pero maganda siya. It looks really nice. And it smells so good. M Cafe. It smells so good. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're here checking in at M Hotel Pattaya. We're here sa 5th floor. 1511 tayo. 1511 kami. Kayo ay?
Ito dito. Here, we're all here.
Huh?
Oh, that's your
1511.
Okay.
So this is probably... magkaganon lang. 1519. Patingin daw, pa-video daw.
Here we go.
Ay.
Tayo, anong over?
And then, dun sa ano? Hindi yung ilalagay yan ng card. Oo. Isasaksak.
Saan ko isasak?
Doon. Yan. There you go. Ay, let's get our things. What is this all about? Thank you. Hello, room. Welcome to our room. Ay, it's so nice. Actually, ayan oh. 3 dito, 1 dun. Doon na si mother. Para tayo ay tsumika ng malala. Ganda. Ganda ng room. Oo nga. Para mas masaya. May maliit na balkon. Open daw natin. Ngani.
Hindi marunong. Hala. Yun. Ay, maigi.
Ayun, may ilaw. Uy, maganda. May balkon. Uy, nautot. At least meron siyang tiny bed, tiny balcony. Ang view ay itong gasoline station. Tsaka vacant lot. This is our view from the balcony. Dito kami sa M Hotel Pattaya. Medyo walking distance yung Terminal 21, pero medyo malayo-layo din. Tingnan mo. Ganda.
Mainit pa rin sa labas.
Mainit nga lang talaga ang singaw. So yan, quick room tour tayo. Ito ang cabinet. Oh, may bathrobe. Siyempre may slippers. What's on the other side? Ayan. The safe and the mga lagayan.
Ah, toloy. Kala ko may salamin.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano ba?
Ito na
Lalabas ba
yun.
tayo?
Kung kaya. Kung makakapahinga ako, kaya ko. Na makalakad-lakad. Shower. Pwede tayong mag-rest for a while kahit hanggang mga...
Rest lang tayo.
Hanggang mga 9. 9 tayo lumabas.
Kasi bukas pa naman yan hanggang midnight. No?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Alin?
Yung night market. Ay, wala kang sinelas.
Dadaan lang tayo, just may mga tinda dyan.
Oo. Ako ay may baong sinelas. Guys, say hi. Hi, Gaga. Hello. Energy. Oh. Energy. Energy, Gaga. Rhea, energy.
Kaya lang.
Nakikipagbasa, auntie. represent po namin ang Philippines sa Songkran.
Listen.
Ang saya doon.